Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the future of automobiles and luxury living on wheels. Today we are diving into one of the most extraordinary creations in the RV world, the SkyCruiser X2026. A futuristic luxury motorhome that doesn't just promise a new way of travel but redefines what luxury mobility really means. Imagine a moving 5-star hotel combined with the aesthetics of a spaceship and the comfort of a private mansion. That is exactly what this incredible machine delivers, and today I'm going to take you through the full experience, from its futuristic exterior to its breathtaking interior, its performance on the road, and of course its price tag. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. The SkyCruiser X2026 looks like it was pulled straight from a sci-fi movie with its chrome finish, massive panoramic windshield, sleek aerodynamic body, and multi-level structure. LED lighting runs across the exterior, giving it a glowing futuristic identity, especially when night falls. It stands on massive alloy wheels designed not only for beauty but also for strength and balance. And the expandable balconies and rooftop lounge add to the wow factor, making it feel less like an RV and more like a futuristic villa on wheels. Everywhere you look there are design details that reflect innovation and luxury seamlessly blended together. Step inside and you are immediately transported into a world of unmatched comfort. The interior is designed with premium materials, featuring leather seating, ambient LED lighting, smart glass windows, and fully automated climate and entertainment controls. The SkyCruiser X offers multiple levels with dedicated lounges, a master bedroom suite, a spa-style bathroom, and even a rooftop deck for parties under the stars. The kitchen is fitted with state-of-the-art appliances, touchscreen controls, and storage solutions that make long journeys practical yet stylish. Every corner of the motorhome is optimized to create a luxury lifestyle experience while traveling, something that truly sets this apart from traditional RVs. Performance-wise, the SkyCruiser X2026 is no less impressive. It comes powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain designed for both efficiency and power, ensuring smooth long-distance travel. Advanced suspension technology guarantees comfort on highways and even uneven terrains, making every ride feel like a glide. Smart driving assistance features such as auto parking, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras make handling this giant surprisingly easy for its size. Safety has been prioritized with AI-powered monitoring systems and next-gen braking technology. Now let's talk about what it takes to own this futuristic beast. Luxury like this comes with a price tag that only a few can afford. The SkyCruiser X2026 starts at around $8 million and can easily go over $10 million depending on the customization and additional features. That makes it one of the most expensive motorhomes ever built. But considering the level of luxury, design, and innovation packed inside, it's no surprise that it appeals to billionaires, celebrities, and those who demand only the best. So there you have it, the SkyCruiser X2026, not just a motorhome but a statement of futuristic luxury living. From its spaceship-inspired exterior to its palace-like interior, from smooth hybrid performance to mind-blowing smart technology, this RV proves that the future of travel is not only about reaching your destination but enjoying every moment of the journey in unmatched style. If you enjoyed this futuristic tour, don't forget to hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews of the world's most luxurious vehicles. Style and comfort as we dive into something that is about to redefine the future of luxury travel, the 2027 Lexus Motorhome. Imagine the precision and class of Lexus design, now stretched into a full-size luxury RV that promises the same smooth driving experience you'd expect from their top sedans, but with the space and features of a rolling mansion. This isn't just another motorhome, it's a glimpse into how Lexus is bringing premium automotive craftsmanship into the world of luxury RVs. On the outside, the 2027 Lexus Motorhome looks like nothing else on the road. The front fascia carries the iconic Lexus spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and a streamlined aerodynamic body that reduces drag despite its size. The design language is bold yet elegant, with chrome accents and smooth lines running across its long body. massive alloy wheels and adaptive suspension give it a commanding presence, making sure it doesn't just look luxurious, but also feels planted on highways. Every exterior detail, from the panoramic windows to the integrated smart side cameras, reflects Lexus's obsession with style and technology. Step inside, and the motorhome transforms into a 5-star living space. The interior is wrapped in handcrafted leather, wood, and ambient lighting that feels straight out of a luxury suite. The cockpit features a fully digital dashboard, large infotainment displays, and AI-assisted driving controls that reduce stress on long journeys. Behind the driver's area, the lounge opens up with reclining leather chairs, a wide smart TV, and a panoramic sunroof that fills the cabin with natural light. The kitchen is designed with premium appliances, a compact induction setup, and a wine cooler, while the dining area feels like a private restaurant on wheels. Moving further back, the bedroom comes with a king-size bed, memory foam mattress, hidden storage, and even a luxury bathroom with a rainfall shower. Lexus has carefully blended automotive sophistication with home-like comfort. When it comes to performance, Lexus has gone beyond expectations. The 2027 Motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a high-output V8 engine with electric assistance, delivering smooth acceleration and efficiency. Advanced air suspension keeps the ride stable even on rough terrain, and its autonomous driving features allow the vehicle to manage highway cruising almost on its own. Noise cancellation technology ensures the cabin stays whisper quiet, even at high speeds, maintaining that Lexus trademark serenity. Now let's talk about pricing. Luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The 2027 Lexus Motorhome is expected to start around $1.8 million, placing it in the ultra-premium RV category. Compared to traditional high-end RVs, Lexus brings automotive refinement, unmatched design, and futuristic tech, making it worth every penny for those who demand only the best. So whether you're planning long-distance road trips or looking for the ultimate statement of lifestyle on wheels, the 2027 Lexus Motorhome is not just transportation, it's luxury reimagined. Lexus has stepped into the RV world with confidence, blending performance, comfort, and design into a masterpiece that might just set the new standard for motorhomes worldwide. Today we are diving into one of the most breathtaking machines ever created, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome, a $10 million double-story mansion on wheels that is changing the entire definition of luxury travel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving palace, a futuristic blend of cutting-edge technology, bold design, and ultra-luxurious comfort that only Range Rover could deliver. Imagine taking the elegance of a high-end estate and combining it with the power and mobility of a next-generation motorhome. That's exactly what this beauty represents. From the outside, the Range Rover Motorhome looks more like a spaceship than an RV. Its aerodynamic front end, futuristic LED lighting strips, and sleek glass design across 2 levels make it one of the most jaw-dropping exteriors in the luxury vehicle world. The body sits on a massive multi-wheel setup, designed not only to carry the extraordinary weight but also to provide maximum stability and smoothness on the road. Step closer and you'll notice the glowing trims, the polished metallic finish, and a profile that instantly tells you this is not just a camper, it's a revolution in design. The dual-story structure gives it the road presence of a rolling skyscraper, and every inch of it screams exclusivity. When you step inside, it's an entirely different world. The lower deck welcomes you with a spacious living area featuring panoramic windows, an open lounge, and designer seating with leather and wood detailing that feels straight out of a luxury penthouse. There's a full-size dining space, a chef-inspired kitchen with modern appliances, and smart storage solutions that make long journeys feel effortless. Move upstairs and the experience gets even more surreal. The upper floor has a glass-wrapped sky lounge, private bedrooms with king-sized beds, an entertainment zone, and even a spa-like bathroom with premium fittings. The natural lighting floods every corner thanks to its futuristic window design, making you feel like you're traveling inside a luxury yacht rather than a motorhome. But luxury isn't the only story here. Range Rover has packed this beast with incredible performance. Underneath its beautiful body, it carries a powerful next-gen hybrid engine system designed for both strength and efficiency. Multiple powered axles ensure seamless handling despite its massive size, while advanced suspension technology delivers an unbelievably smooth ride on highways and even on uneven terrains. Driving this motorhome feels less like operating a heavy RV and more like commanding a futuristic luxury SUV on steroids. Now let's talk about the big question: price. At $10 million, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome is clearly not for everyone. This is a machine built for the elite, for those who want to carry the comfort of a mansion while traveling the world. But when you factor in its design, its performance, the unmatched luxury, and the fact that it's the Double-Storey Mansion Motorhome. This is not your average RV. This is a futuristic design that combines the comfort of a luxury mansion with the mobility of a high-powered motorhome. From the outside, the first thing that grabs attention is the sheer size. With its double-story structure, massive chrome body, panoramic glass walls, and a commanding truck-style front end with multiple heavy-duty wheels, it looks like a skyscraper on wheels. Every detail of the exterior reflects strength, elegance, and futuristic craftsmanship, giving you the impression of a high-end luxury hotel that can move anywhere on the road. Step inside and the story gets even more exciting. The SkyCruiser XL offers a spacious lounge fitted with a stylish sofa set and a giant LCD entertainment system, perfect for long journeys or family time. The modern kitchen comes equipped with the latest appliances and high-quality finishes, making it possible to cook meals just like you would in a real home. The bedrooms are designed with premium comfort in mind, featuring large beds, wardrobes, and stunning views through its wide glass windows. A deluxe washroom completes the package with top-class fittings and modern design. The highlight, however, is the rooftop paradise. Here you will find a beautiful artificial garden, palm trees, and outdoor seating where you can relax and enjoy five-star resort vibes while being on the road. Performance-wise, this motorhome is engineered with powerful engines capable of moving its enormous body with stability and strength. The multiple axles and tires ensure maximum grip and smooth driving even on long-distance highways. Despite its mansion-like size, it is built to deliver safe and efficient travel experiences. When it comes to price, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. A concept of this magnitude is expected to cost several $1 million, putting it in the same category as superyachts and private jets. It is designed for those who want exclusivity, unmatched comfort, and the ability to carry their mansion wherever they go. The SkyCruiser XL is not just a motorhome, it is a vision of the future of luxury travel. Today I am going to take you on an exclusive journey into the future of luxury travel with the stunning 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. When we think about Bugatti, what usually comes to mind is speed, elegance, and breathtaking design, but now the brand has stepped into a whole new category, creating a motorhome that redefines what road luxury truly means. This is not just a camper or a regular motorhome, this is a palace on wheels, engineered with Bugatti's unique DNA, bringing together extreme performance, cutting-edge design, and ultra-luxurious comfort. From the outside, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome immediately commands attention. The front grille carries the signature Bugatti styling that we've seen on their hypercars, and the body is sculpted with aerodynamics in mind, giving the entire vehicle a futuristic and dominant presence on the road. The LED lighting is sleek and modern, wrapping around the exterior with an elegance that makes this motorhome glow both in the daytime and especially at night. From every angle, you can feel that this isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving piece of automotive art. Stepping inside, you are instantly greeted by a world of luxury and craftsmanship that only Bugatti could deliver. The cabin is wrapped in fine leather, carbon fiber accents, and with detailing that gives it a blend of modern and classic style. The lounge area feels more like a private jet than a motorhome, with recliner seats, an advanced entertainment system, and mood lighting that can be customized to your taste. The kitchen is designed with high-end appliances and sleek finishes, making it practical yet stylish for luxury travel. The bedroom offers a spacious king-size bed with premium materials, while the bathroom feels like a 5-star hotel suite, complete with modern fixtures, a walk-in shower, and smart controls. Every detail of the interior reflects Bugatti's obsession with perfection. When it comes to performance, the Bugatti Motorhome doesn't disappoint either. Built with advanced engineering, it delivers powerful performance on highways, ensuring smooth drives even over long distances. Despite its large size, the handling and stability are finely tuned, making the journey as comfortable as the destination. It combines the spirit of a hypercar with the practicality of a luxury home, making it one of the most unique vehicles in the world. Of course, luxury like this comes with a price tag that matches its exclusivity. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is expected to cost several $million, making it accessible only to the elite few who demand the best of both worlds: supercar prestige and ultimate living luxury. But for those who can afford it, this is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement, a rolling palace that sets new standards in the world of motorhomes. So that was the complete look at the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a blend of beauty, performance, and luxury unlike anything else on the market.